A master chef is nothing without their most important weapon, a finely sharpened blade. The strawberry summons a ferocity unlike any other fruit. Each slice we make, a small glimpse of heaven, purified by the flames of desire. The avalanche of the perfect scoops erupts over the cliffside on an inevitable collision course between flavor and fate itself. And to this shrine, strawberries entwined with wafers, a cherry on top, and the rod of Pocky, penetrating.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video.
It was a ton of fun to make. We want to do more videos like that in the future, so we have a very special announcement. Next week, we're going to be telling you all how you can give back to the show and help open up possibilities like that. On Friday, March 8th at 3:30 p.m., we will be launching our Patreon video, and we're going to be having a live chat right beforehand. So make sure you're on YouTube at that time. 3:30 p.m.
Yeah, come
March
hang
8th.
out.
Come
We're just
hang
gonna
out.
be chatting and chilling
And talking about the future of Feast of Fiction. Look, if you guys like the video you just saw, we are going to make more like that, and we can do so with your help. So, when is it again, Nash?
March 8th at 3:30 next Friday.
Don't miss it. We will see you there.
Okay, bye.
Bye.